Good morning and welcome to my first travel vlog of the year. So I am off to Romania. I know it's a little bit random because obviously I've never mentioned Romania before on my channel as a destination I've wanted to go. However, the opportunity came up and I love to go to different countries and explore. So I am off to Romania today with Chloe, Anomalous Chloe on YouTube. I will leave all of her stuff down below. I'm going to be spending the next 4 days with her in Bucharest, which is Romania's capital. So let's go. Right, so I am now with Chloe. She's just guzzling an Aperol Spritz in the background.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, it's fine.
It's alright, yeah, we've both decided to get an alcoholic beverage super early. Yeah, it's fine. And we just come to Spoons for our cheeky little breakfast. Yeah, cheeky little breakfast. Chloe's got bacon, yeah?
Pancakes, yeah.
Bacon pancakes, and I've gone for banana. And we're just about to eat these all up before heading to the gate. Right, so we're all ready and about to go through. Chloe's just in front. Just about to get on the flight now. We have arrived in Romania. We've just got off the bus. The bus was actually the equivalent, wasn't it? 94p?
Yeah, for both of us.
For both of us, which is
like
insane.
an hour-long journey.
Yeah, we were literally on that bus for about an hour, and it wasn't even that uncomfortable. I thought the ventilation wasn't going to be great, but it was really good. It wasn't too bad. So we're just on our way to our hotel now. I'm really excited. It looks lovely, doesn't it? We said it looks really...
It's quite quirky looking, but all of them were quite weird looking.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll see you when we get to the hotel. Just got to our hotel and it's really cute. I like it. It's down one of the little side streets in the Old Town area. We've just walked through and it looks so cute. But yeah, here's our little bathroom. And we've got this crazy gothic wallpaper, which we're really feeling.
Appropriate for Romania.
Yeah. Lovely little bed. It's really spacious, isn't it?
I know, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah. Got a little seating area here. We've got a big TV. We're loving our lives.
Speak much Romanian?
Yeah.
Don't think I'll be in English.
No. Oh gosh.
What did you say about this thing being cracked? It isn't it?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh wow, I love the pink kettle.
I know.
I think now we're just going to sort of have a chill, aren't we? Probably
sit in front of this aircon for
yeah. I'm sweating, and then we'll be off. We're going to go just head into town, aren't we?
Yeah.
Have a little look. Right, so me and Chloe have had a lovely freshen up. We're just sorting ourselves out and we're just about to head downstairs and walk towards the National Theatre.
Yeah.
Because we're going to go grab some food quickly, and we've actually been kindly gifted, thanks to Chloe's expertise in travelling, we've been gifted a ghost and vampire tour for the evening, which is super exciting. We're going to be going to lots of haunted places, and we'll obviously tell you what we think of it afterwards, and I'll show you around as we go through. I'm sure we'll be able to film parts of it, surely. But yeah, it should be really exciting. I would never have expected to do something like this ever, in a different place, so it would be really nice to go.
Just such a cool way to see a new city. It's a different way of doing a city tour, finding out the darker stuff.
Yeah, which is Chloe said in her vlog, it's right up our street. We were literally talking about death and stuff and all different bits and pieces when we were in the queue for the airplanes, and people must have been really scared of us.
What are these two girls on?
But yeah, it should be good. I'm starving now at this point, so I'm really excited to go grab some food. So So me and Chloe, oh shit, we've just we've just got our food from this place called Le Guerre. Oh, I'm pronouncing it as if I'm French, but
I mean, I think it is
Le Guerre?
French.
I don't know, but yeah, it's a really lovely place. We've both got a Sex on the Beach cocktail. I've got some grilled chicken and wedges, and Chloe has carbonara.
Yeah.
It looks
very,
lovely.
very cheesy carbonara.
And it's, yeah, very cheesy. And we're sitting in this lovely, cute location here. So we're here at the National Theatre. We're just about to try and find where we're going to meet our tour guide, I'm guessing.
Do you think they'll have like a banner or a flag?
Yeah.
Or something? I don't know.
We'll sort it out in a second. But it's such a beautiful building. It's huge, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be so big.
God, yeah.
It's massive. Cute.
So this house is apparently haunted by its previous owner. So it was confiscated by the communists, and when the gentleman then died in prison, apparently he since comes back to haunt it.
Hello. We've made a friend.
What's your house?
Right, so we are kind of like midway through the tour at the minute, and we've just been to this little wall here. You'll have seen this like weird woman on engraved on the wall, and it's apparently a nymph which live in like forests and things like that. It's a lot, basically the Romanians have a lot of like myths, legends, tales, don't they? That quite a lot of people believe in. They're quite superstitious people generally, obviously not everyone is. And apparently these nymphs absolutely hate men, and there are stories where men are terrified to walk down alleys alone, which makes a change for
I feel
once.
you.
Yeah, I feel you. So yeah, that did make me laugh quite a little bit, because I quite enjoy that. I quite enjoy the nymphs. I quite like the yellies. So yeah, that's something I do believe in. That's one of the superstitions I'm definitely gonna...
I'm getting on board with that.
Yeah, I'm getting on board with that. Right, so me and Chloe have come back to our hotel, and we are literally absolutely exhausted. Like, that tour took it out of me. It was absolutely amazing. I've learnt like so much in one evening. It's ridiculous, and there's so many things that I had no idea about to do with Romania. So it's really nice that we've had a little bit of history about the city. Yeah, city. And yeah, we're literally just gonna get into bed. I've just taken my makeup off, and we'll see you tomorrow for another Romania vlog. Bye.